It is early morning, and Roy asked Ralph, "Why'd you ask me to go hunting with you?" And Ralph's honest. He says, "Tommy, he accidentally shot the last guy who was going hunting with us. Yeah, Tommy, the no-armed Chinese fella, is infiltrating the NRA." And they get to a certain point where Ralph wanted to show the two of them. And yes, something just rises up out of the ground. It's someone hanging by their balls of steel. That big gold coin rises over there in the east. And Judas, with that fountain of youth in him, just keeps a-screaming, "Mercy, Master. Mercy."